Hi, Phil Benham here, and in this video I want to walk you through installing the free marketing templates you just downloaded. So one of the things that you'll notice is on the page where we showed you about the templates, there was a step process, and it kind of showed you what you needed to do very quickly in a nutshell. And the first step of that is to install a WordPress plugin. Now, the WordPress plugin is a free plugin, and it's called Elementor. So the first thing what we want to do is come to Plugins, click Add New. Then we're going to search, and we'll type in the search bar here, Elementor, just like that, well, with an R. And we're going to download this Elementor page builder. It's free to use and install. Now, they do have a paid version which has a couple of extra features, but with these templates you won't need any of those extra features. So we'll just click install now. We'll install those. Now, when you downloaded your free templates, they should have come with as a zip file. So it's a .zip file, and I put mine on my desktop. So let me go ahead and find that. And here we go. So we've got the NetDyno marketing templates here. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll come into Elementor here once I've installed it, and I'll go to my library. And what I'll do here is I'll click this Import Templates button. Now, I could have this zip archive of Elementor templates, so I'll just click Choose File, and I'll find that on my desktop here. So it's going to be this one. I'll just double click it and click Import Now. Now what that'll do is import all the templates in that zip file and list them all here for you. Now with this library, this is just a library of templates at this point, but you could actually go through and view some of these, but they're going to be kind of behind your theme. So what we want to do is kind of get away from that. So we'll go to Pages, and we'll click Add New, and I'm going to put here template demo. Right now, notice that we have a new button here called Edit with Elementor. But what I want to do in this case is I don't want to use my theme, my existing theme on WordPress for anything here. So what I want to do is come over here, and under Page Attributes and Template, instead of Default Template, I'm going to choose Elementor Canvas. So anytime that you create a page using any of these templates, you want to click this Elementor Canvas. I'm going to go ahead and click Publish, and then I can go Edit with Elementor. So now I click that Edit with Elementor, and it's going to open it at a full screen. I really like this plugin. It's real easy to use. But let's go ahead and click Add Template. Now you can add sections and all this. Once you get familiar with Elementor, you'll be able to do a lot of cool stuff with it. But let's just go ahead and add one of the templates that we have. Now it comes with all these pre-designed templates. So go ahead, back to library. You can look through these and use your own. This is just the Elementor templates. Now a lot of these are pro versions. If you'll see the red or the little magenta pro label here on the top right of each of these. So you won't be able to use those unless you have the paid version. But in our case, we're going to My Templates, and these are all the ones that we've uploaded through that zip file that I gave you. Now we may want to start with a sales page. So let's go ahead and choose this sales page. Come over here and click Insert. I'll click Yes. It's going to import all the page settings and everything that we need. And there we go. Now, these are all of the colors that are available. Basically, some of these headlines and things like that aren't set up exactly correctly. So what we want you to do is understand that you could go in and change all these colors pretty easily for the titles and that sort of thing. So let's go over here and go to default colors. You'll see that we have a color palette here. There's a color palette. What we want to do is we want to kind of change these a little bit. And in my case, with the templates I gave you, I'm using this. Well, I don't think I'm using that one. Using this color, and I'm going to go ahead and paste this over here, and that should change all of the titles. See, so now build your email list faster for free. The other thing is this accent color. I think the accent color I use for the templates is this one, and we go ahead and paste that in here. Now you choose your own, but I just wanted to show how you can easily change everything with this color palette here, and go through and just knock all this out. Now you might want to also think about changing some of the text and that sort of thing. It's pretty easy to change. Just go through here, and you can actually change the default fonts. One of the fonts that I'm using is, I think it's called, oh wow, I wish I remembered it. Let me go and see. So I'll just go here where we created these. Oh, yeah. And I'll go into that sales page, right? I'll edit with Elementor. And this is where I created the templates, so I'll be able to see all the fonts and that sort of thing right at a glance. So we'll just go over here, default fonts, primary headline, Poppins. I think I use Poppins throughout. So let's go ahead and search for that. There's the font. And the secondary headline, I think I also use Poppins. The body text as well. And not sure about the accent text. But anyway, so we can apply that. We'll also be able to go into, it's just some of these things. You can go into the style for the page. I mean, and this is going to affect a lot of things, but you can also come in here and modify a lot of the things here. So like this text, I want to, I can change the color of the icons here, primary color for the icon background there. I can change the icon hover, and then of course the content, where I can change the typography for the text. So if I want to increase the size of the text there, I can do that. I'll do 24 or 20. And then of course beneath that we have, let's see, that's the title. Then we have the description. So I'll turn on typography for the description, and I can change the size of the text there. Right? I can even change the line height, anything. So as you can see, this is really customizable all throughout. But anyway, that was just one way to go ahead and get started with all of your templates. Very easy to do. Install the Elementor plugin, create a new page, use the Elementor canvas as the background for that, or the template for that page. Then come in and upload a template, or excuse me, choose to insert a template, choose any of the templates that we give you, and you can work from there. All right, thanks for watching this video. We look forward to seeing you in the other tutorial videos for these marketing templates.